In this video, I'm having them do challenges from this button. Tommy, press the button. That's a challenge for later.
Wait, what?
This is Corbin. He's gonna get his challenge from this button. You heard him, rob the elderly.
Yeah! Yeah, I finally got enough money for my eye surgery. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I can't wait. Money's mine! I'm gonna have to call you back.
This is Jake. Press your button, Jake. You heard him, kick him in the knee. Oh, I like this guy.
Hello everyone, I would like to introduce me and my brother here. Now we aren't actual siblings, but our blood is almost the same, which makes no sense.
But our
We
bloods
are
are the
brothers.
same.
I kind of forgot to give Jake his new challenge. He got it done so fast. It's just, I don't know, I forgot.
Yeah, my parents disown me.
Hey, press the button.
I don't care about your grandma.
You know, you're turning out to be my favorite. I'm glad to see you got the money. Ready for your next challenge?
No.
Tommy, get him! Hey, forgot your challenge. Beat up an elderly person. Go! Hey!
I'm sorry, but I had to do this. You want my money now?
All right, press this button for your next challenge. Kill Tommy. I'm gonna miss Tommy once he's gone. I guess Jake loses. So Tommy, I noticed you were taking a while on your challenges. So I went ahead and did them for you.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Your grandma's dead.
Wait, the one that was in the hospital?
Yeah. What other grandma do you have?
Dude, I don't think I want to do this.
Tommy!
I
Did your
love
grandma raise a quitter?
Maybe you did!
Wrong answer! Wrong answer! Your grandma did not raise a quitter. Are we clear? Are you ready for your challenge?
Yeah.
Hit a woman.
I don't want to do that.
That sucks. Hit a woman. She's right over there. Redhead. Oh. All right, before you guys share this challenge, I want you two to tell us about how much you two love each other.
Well, we grew up together since day one. We're not exactly brothers, different moms, but we love each other like brothers.
Our blood type is also the same, so we're close enough.
We are brothers at heart.
At heart.
That's adorable. Press the button. Fight each other. These two are gonna fight. Fight each other. Fight! Tommy.
You've just been terminated!
Never do that again. How are you feeling after losing your fight?
Hurt.
That sucks. You're gonna hurt even worse after this. There we go. Just pass out. Pass out already. Stop breathing for a second and just night time. Make sure to like and subscribe.
Rat.
We want some bombastic, romantic, fantastic lover. She call me Mr.
Rat.
Tell me fantastic. Touch me on me back, she says I'm Mr.
Rat.